Okay, Jack, you're eating venison for the first time. What do you think?
Oh, big one.
Are you gonna eat your big venison?
He's so funny.
Like hamburger.
It's like hamburger. Put it in your mouth. Take a bite.
Let me cut it.
Cut it in half.
No. I didn't want to cut it.
You want me to cut it in half? Oh, no, don't squish it. Here, put it down and I'll cut it in half. Watch your hands.
No. No.
Okay, okay. Are you gonna eat it?
Yeah.
What do you think?
I burped. This is ham pin. Right here. That's one. No, not one.
So pretty.